That's nice. Oh, fuck. Damn, that's so nice. That's so nice. Red match the third. So easy. So easy. Oh my God. Drivability concerns, 0. Don't worry about it. All right, welcome to the 2008 Porsche 911 997.1 Carrera S. We just put an ASCO flywheel in here, a new pressure plate, and a spring clutch. All right, let's go compare the new lightweight flywheel to the stock one. 12.8 pounds, and the stock one weighs 30.2 pounds, nearly a 17 to 18 pound difference. This is gonna be incredible. The clutch went from around 40 pounds stock to push in to, I wanna say 3 pound super light. Let's fire it up. Fires right up, no problem. All right, we're gonna do a little test drive, see what the drivability is like. Now this is my wine cruiser. I don't really race this thing around, so we're not gonna go too crazy. Just wanna give like a real world impression. I've already driven this car for a week in traffic, and it's not bad. Even just right here, coming up a little slight hill, not too bad. And yeah, I'll report back in a sec. All right, we're back. Hopefully you can hear me. And I'm just gonna cruise along in the cab. It's a nice summer evening. Just wanna get some feedback on what this flywheel is like to drive. The revs do drop a little faster, but the clutch is nice. I thought I wasn't gonna like it with its very lightweight, but if anything, it just makes it more drivable every day. You're not really pushing on the clutch with 40 pounds. It's not a leg workout anymore. I could hand this car to any of my friends and they could drive it fine. You just gotta get used to the new friction zone, I would say. This is a pressure plate off a 996, so it's a little bit of a hybrid combination. I spoke with AASCO about what's the best combination of lightweight flywheel for this car. And they recommended the spring clutch, which is on your screen right now, as well as the lightweight flywheel on your screen right now, as well as the pressure plate, so right now we're in 5th, rev match the 4th, rev match the 3rd, totally easy, no issues at all. Love these guys. Hell yeah, good night for a ride. Super nice. Let these cars pass. Rev matching is easy, no problem. Here's the flywheel. So I just show you what it sounded like at idle. Let's see if my microphone picks up on this. You hear tiny a little bit. And it revs fast. That's nice. Oh, fuck. Damn, that's so nice. That's so nice. Yeah, this thing revs fast. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, fuck. First gear is good. Second gear is good. So with the flywheel, the lower the gear, the more the effect you're gonna feel of an increased horsepower and engine response. So first gear, you're really gonna feel it very nice. Second gear, still nice, but not as much. Third gear, that's when you start to notice. Fourth gear, you're gonna have almost like no effect, and after that, it's pretty much like zero. So just keep that in mind. The lower the gear, the more the effect you're gonna have with a lightweight flywheel. Put it in third right now. It's nice. I think for those of you with coupes out there are really gonna love this setup. Super nice. Oh yeah. Clutch grab's great, no issue. Here's a stop. A little bit of rev. And just take off. Rev match second, turn it in. Oh yeah. Again, this is a very wafty car. It's like driving a Bentley. Because it's a convertible. You know, it's a 997, so it's nothing too crazy. This isn't a GT3. It's a stock suspension. We got an AMG GTR in front of us right now. I won't pass him. He's going 5 under the speed limit. I'm trying to behave. This is the wine cruiser. Oh, he's turning off. Incredible. Oh, real nice. I'll give you a little audio. Beautiful. Really nice. It livens it up. I'm a fan. Rev match to third. So easy. So easy. Oh my God. Drivability concerns, zero. Don't worry about it. Props to ASCO, probably pronouncing it wrong, for actually speccing this kit. Conventionally, I would have done just a lightweight flywheel, the stock clutch, and stock pressure plate, but this is a very nice, more dailyable setup. On my Spider, I've got a non-sprung clutch. It's the sock clutch on my Spider. I'll show you right now on the screen what that looks like. And the stock pressure plate, and I do love that setup on the Spider. It's very raw. I mean, you slam into gear and it just bites. Uphill. But just this right here. And I mean, you can modulate it with the clutch, don't get me wrong. But when you're shifting that red line from a third to fourth and you just crank it in the fourth, it's the best. So yeah, 2 thumbs up from me on the drivability of this flywheel. Again, if you have any questions, put it down below. I'm gonna keep driving the sunset away out here in beautiful Mexico. All right, guys, consider subscribing. And like I said, if you have any questions at all, leave it in a comment below. Maybe a little like, a little super thanks. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video today. Just one more thing. So there is some chatter at low RPM and high load on the engine. I don't want you to think that if you buy this lightweight flywheel, spring clutch, and pressure plate, there's gonna be absolutely zero chatter. At idle, it's fine. You don't really hear that much, which we saw in the video earlier. But if you do go up like a slight hill at maybe like 1800 RPM, like you will induce chatter and you will hear inside of the cabin. But as long as you're not lugging the engine, you don't really hear that chatter that much. But just FYI, just gotta put it out there, you will have some increased NVH at low RPM and higher load. Additionally, everything that was used in this video, the clutch, the flywheel, and the pressure plate will be linked in the description below. So I've partnered with Vivid Racing. They're a channel sponsor of mine, where they're gonna give you guys a discount on all the products used in the video, which is gonna include the lightweight flywheel, the pressure plate, and the spring clutch. If you don't want to use a spring clutch, I've also linked a traditional clutch as well. Additionally, I have a link right here on how to take this transmission out of your car and put it back in case you want to do this job yourself, as well as installing the clutch, pressure plate, and flywheel as well. So I'll have videos on that. You can click right here or right here above this video right now. And overall, I would say this flywheel and clutch and pressure plate is someone who wants more theater and engine response in the car and is willing to sacrifice just a little more NVH while daily driving. Again, if you do lug the engine, you will get some chatter, something crazy. You just have to be aware of that. Even if you have a dual mass flywheel, you will still get a lugging of the engine. But this lightweight flywheel will amplify those sounds. So as long as you're not a bad manual driver and you're not lugging the engine up a hill, you're not gonna have any issues with this. Would I use this lightweight flywheel on a full daily driver car? I'm daily driving this every single day, around 80 miles a day. I don't mind it at all. It's not a problem for me, but maybe if you prioritize absolute silence in the cabin, there's no compromise, you want that Rolls-Royce quiet, cabin in there, maybe this isn't for you. I just don't want anyone out there to buy this and think that it's gonna be absolutely zero noise. It's not a lot of noise. As you saw in the video, I did the walk around, as well as in cabin, you didn't really hear anything crazy, but you can, if you do it wrong, induce noise in the cabin, again, if you put a high load on the engine. Also linked below are gonna be flywheels, pressure plates, and clutches for other years of 911, Caymans, or Boxers. So just in case you don't have a 997.1, fear not, I have put in the description below of the video of a lightweight flywheel for your car. And just in case it's not down there, feel free to comment below the video. Hey, Das Cayman, this is my Porsche. What lightweight flywheel, clutch, and pressure plate do you recommend? And I'll be more than happy to comment back to you with even a discount link to those products, so you can enjoy it on your car as well. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions at all, put a comment below, and we'll see you next time.